Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you on how you can create an AI video using the Wan 2.2 video model for free practically every day. So right now this is the latest and greatest video model from Alibaba, and it comes with some new improvements, like now it is utilizing mixture of expert architecture, which means this model is getting smarter and yet stay efficient. It's also now better at handling cinematic video and also complex motion generation. And not to mention, since it is open source, it is also now becoming more efficient, and it can run on consumer-friendly hardware like 1490, which is, yeah, I would say it's consumer-friendly hardware, but it is not, commercial, widely available hardware. So even though you can run this model locally on your PC, I think that could be expensive and still difficult to install for most people, and I do recommend to just use this model on their own dedicated platforms. And there are actually two platforms that you could try to create video using this Wan 2.2 video model. So the first platform that I do recommend is the official website Wan.video, and then you can log in, and it is actually giving you quite generous amount of credits every day. So if you log in, you can check in and you will get 10 credits every single day, which is enough to create one video using the Wan 2.2 plus video model, which is the best model on this platform. Now, 10 credits, one video is probably not a lot, but given that we can get it for free, I think it is no-brainer, and it's always appreciated that there is still companies that still giving you free stuff these days. Now, to create a video, you can click generate. And yeah, this is just one video that I created using the latest model, and I was trying to convert the picture of a worm into a butterfly, and technically it did, but it's just not the best transition. So it is not in the level of VO3, but I would say still the best video, open source video model at the moment. Okay, now to create a video, you can select the mode. There are multiple modes like image video, text video, effects, first and last frame, etc. But I'm not going to cover every single one of them in this video. I'll just try to create a video from image. So I'm going to select this option, and here I guess I'm going to upload a picture. Let's choose from history, or maybe choose from my device. And okay, I have this picture of a cat. Let's select that picture. Okay, now I'm going to specify what is the thing that needs to happen in this video. So I basically want the cat to, there is a butterfly humming, and the cat plays with the butterfly. So that's a simple prompt that I'm going to use. And here you can select the model that you want to use for creating this video. There is Wan 2.1 plus, and there is also Wan 2.2 plus. Definitely you want to use the latest model, which is this model. And here I do recommend to generate with credits, because otherwise you are going to be relying on the free generation, and it would take hours to create just a 5-second video. So in my opinion, it's not worth it. Just use your free credits, and it should be able to create one video in just 1 or maybe 2 minutes. And you can enable inspiration mode. This is basically giving AI more flexibility, and maybe it may add other things in the video, but it is completely optional. You can enable or disable it, but I'm going to enable this option. There's also sound effect. I'm going to enable it as well. And what's unique about it is that it is not actually consuming more credits when you're enabling these features. So when you're done with the settings, you can click this button and just wait for this AI tool to create a video based on the input that you just provided. Now, while still creating a video, I want to show you the second option that you could try, which is this Hugging Face space that was provided by Wan AI. It is using Wan 2.2, although it is not the best version, but still it is free, and you could use this tool as an alternative if you are running your credits on your Wan account. The process is quite simple. You can click this area and then select the picture that you want to convert into video, or you can also just create a video, and if you don't want to provide a picture, you can just leave it empty, and basically you can create a video from text description. So for this one, I'll try to use the same prompt and just delete this, add space, and for the duration, I'll set it to maximum, which is 5 seconds, and after that, let's click generate video and wait for the result. Okay, so I tried creating a video using the Hugging Face method so many times to the point that I'm exhausted almost of all my credits. So I cannot create any more videos, and this is actually quite a common problem when you're using Wan 2.2 via Hugging Face, and that's why I always recommend using the official website version. So this is the video that was generated. I would say the result is pretty convincing, and it is definitely following my prompt. And if you want to download this video, you can click this download button and click download with watermark. And of course, if you want to get the one without watermark, then you have to pay for premium. But I think this tool is actually quite affordable, because if you check the pricing, this tool is only asking you for, I think, $5. Yeah, $5 for a monthly subscription. That is a lot cheaper than the typical $20 to $30 of AI video generators. So I think definitely this tool is worth it, and it is just getting better and better every week. So that's basically how you can create an AI video using the Wan 2.2 video model. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.